Have you ever noticed how some people seem to stay consistent with keto and exercise, while others start strong and then slowly fall off? It's not willpower, it's not discipline, and it's definitely not because they found some perfect workout. The real difference comes down to one simple thing: they actually enjoy the way they move their body. And today, I want to show you how finding the right form of exercise can completely change your results on keto, making everything feel easier, more natural, and something you can stick with for the long run. Point one: enjoyment drives consistency. Here's the truth most people don't talk about. If you don't enjoy your workouts, you won't stay consistent. You might push through for a week or two, maybe even a month, but eventually, life gets busy, motivation dips, and that workout becomes the first thing to go. That's why the goal isn't to find the best exercise. It's to find the one you'll actually do. And don't underestimate it. A daily walk, especially after meals, can support fat loss, improve blood sugar, and help you feel more energized. For others, it might be biking, swimming, or even just staying active throughout the day. When you enjoy it, it stops feeling like a chore and starts becoming part of your lifestyle. Point two: match exercise to your personality. The next piece is making sure your exercise matches you. If you're someone who likes structure, strength training might be a great fit. Building muscle not only helps your body burn more calories at rest, but it also supports long-term fat loss and gives you that strong, confident feeling. On the other hand, if you enjoy being around people, group classes, sports, or even something like pickleball can be a game changer. And if you prefer peace and quiet, outdoor activities like hiking or walking might be exactly what you need. There's no one-size-fits-all here. The more your movement matches your personality, the easier it becomes to stay consistent without forcing it. Point three: start simple and build momentum. Now, here's where a lot of people overcomplicate things. They try to do too much, too fast. Especially on keto, when your body is still adapting, your energy might not feel 100% right away. That's completely normal. Instead of going all in and burning out, start simple. Build the habit first. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough to get momentum going. As your body becomes more efficient at burning fat for fuel, you'll likely notice more steady energy and better endurance. That's when you can start building on what you've already created. Remember, progress doesn't come from perfection, it comes from consistency. So here's something to think about. What's one form of movement you actually enjoy? Start there. Keep it simple and let it grow from there. If you found this helpful and you want more practical keto tips, mindset shifts, and strategies to help you stay consistent for the long run, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm here to help you make keto easier, more sustainable, and something you can truly stick with for life.